right, we've discussed slope and intercepts review for 1. We've discussed writing equations in slope-intercept form, review for 2. And now we are going to use slope-intercept form. This is section 4-3. All right, let's open that up on our foldable. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to discuss the steps in graphing linear equations using slope-intercept form. First step, you must identify the slope, which is your M, and your y-intercept, which is your B. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Step 2, you're going to plot the y-intercept, your B. Step 3, you're going to use the slope to plot additional points, and this is going to be beginning from the y-intercept. Okay, so let's look at example 1, and we're going to use this linear equation, y equals 2/3 x minus 1, to graph on our graph here using the steps. So step 1, it says to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So step 1, we're finding, if you can, you write on top y equals mx plus b, and you're going to do a matching game. So we're looking for our m, our slope, and our b. Our m in this case is 2/3, meaning a rise of 2 and a run of 3, and our b is a -1. All right, step 2, it says plot a point on the y-axis. In this case, we're going to plot -1. So let's do that first. Remember, this is your y, this is your x. Negative is below the x line, so I'm coming right here at a -1. Step 3, we are going to, from the y-intercept, which is our -1, go up 2 and go, and go right 3. Okay? So we're going to go up 1, 2, and then to the right. 1, 2, 3. Putting our first point. Go again, up 1, 2, to the right. 1, 2, 3. If I can't go up and to the right, then I'm going to go down 2, down 1, 2, and to the right. 1, 2, 3. 3 points is good. 4 is fantastic. So go ahead and take that ruler as your straight edge and draw the line. Make sure you're going all the way past the point with slope. If my graph was bigger, I could go up and to the right or down and to the left even more. All right, let's look at example number 1. We're going to try this together. The first thing that it says to identify your m and your b. So my m in this case is 1/3, and my b is a -4. I'm going to label my y and x axis starting at a -4. That's below the x line, so we're going to count -1, -2, -3, -4. All right, we're going to go up and to the right. It's a positive slope. So up 1 and then to the right. 1, 2, 3. Up 1/1, 2, 3. If I can't go up and to the right, let's try to go down and to the left. Down 1 over 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go ahead and connect our points. Again, going past, because with slope, it can go on and on and on, the bigger the graph. All right, let's look at number 2. I'm going to label our y and x-axis again. Locate or identify your m and your b. My m in this case is -5. I'd like to have it as a ratio or a fraction, so I'm able to put a 1 that remains as a -5 on the denominator. And my b is 3, starting at a +3. 1, 2, 3. It's a negative slope, so I'm going to go opposite from number 1. So I'm going to go down and to the right or up and to the left. So I'm going to start, I can't go up 5, so let's go down 5. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 1. Let's see if we can go down one more to get another point. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. We are unable to, so unfortunately we're just going to use those 2 points. Again, use that ruler as your straight edge. Connect the 2 points. And you're finished. All right, 2 more to go. Let's look at number 3 and number 4. With number 3, because there's no number in front of the x, it's automatically assumed that it is a 1. You can place a 1 there. So my m is 1 over 1, a rise of 1, and a run of 1, and my b is a +2. Label x and y axis. Starting at 2, I'm going to go up 1, 2. And here I'm just going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Or I can go down and to the right 1, down and to the right. I know that's a lot of points. You really only need 3 to 4. Connect those points and again go past. Oops, sorry guys. Okay. All right, let's go to the last one. Remember we discussed before that if there was nothing past the x, this could be 0, where it's going through the origin, meaning it's a proportional relationship. You can write +0. So your m is 3 over 1, and your b is 0, meaning that the line is going to start at the origin. Putting it right here, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Can't go up and to the right, then we're going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 1. And I like that. I got my 4 points. It's a very steep slope. And we're going to draw our line, connect those points. All right. Now that we've completed the foldable, go ahead and glue it onto page 36 in your interactive notebook.